So Luca did some research online last night, discovered that we found sort of a blow-up version of these stoves. So, and it shows where the gaskets and stuff go, and apparently this is the right way to put on the gaskets and where they go. So I'm going to cut that one off and probably use the other part of the gasket somewhere else. I did get an email back from the guy in North Carolina talking about the gas line, and said you can't use flexible tubing on this for the gas fitting. It has to go in through either that hole in the front or vice versa on the hole of the other side if required on this unit, or it can go down through these holes in the floor or in the bottom of the base. And so that gas line will have to get moved, go back down through the floor and back up into the firebox container here, which is here. So I'm going to carry on with the assembly of some of this to dry fit everything, and probably have to take it all apart and then put it all back together again.